sebelah sana. People out there, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for joining me today on this. So yeah, it'd be good if you did sort of support my channel. So we've got sort of a bike trial in West Wales at this minute. And that's echoing on my other device. Thank you. Nice to have you on your mark. Let's go, man. Yeah, I agree. Let's just do it. I tell you what, I'm multitasking. Hi guys, we're going over to a motocross rally now, so hope you want to join us. We're in Langford Command. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully I can twiddle us around. Maybe I can't, so I think I'll have to start again. How the fucking hell do you turn this thing around? Okay, let's just turn it around. So we've got a bike rally today, and I'm just going to sort of show the screen and sort of point it outwards. So nobody's in a bike rally at this minute, so let's just see what we've got. Need to do that. Do you know, I don't do you know how many times I've actually done this and sort of can't oh, flip camera, there we go. So we've got a bike rally today, so I just decided to sort of do some filmmaking whilst I'm at it. Oh, here we go, bike coming. So there we go, a lot going on. And so I got this on YouTube, so I got this on TikTok as well. You can see if we can get some people to wave as well. Wave, as they used to say. So We're in West Wales at this minute. There's a motocross rally going on. It's a time trial. Probably do half an hour of this actually, so I'm already 17 minutes. Let's just give a bit of a wave. I think that was a metal toot. Here's me, I'm trying to redirect my channel and I'm filming bikes. So there you go. Can't be too bad. Anyone wants to make a donation is very welcome to do so. I'm just going to look at my phone. See if there's any sort of... I should have done this on the solstice, to be honest. Hey, thank you, Teresa. Davis joined. Who else have we got joined? We've got Janice Charles. Yeah, join. Thank you. Daryl Vandermeer joined. We're basically a live motocross at this minute. Not that I know anything about bikes. I don't know the first thing about bikes, to be honest with you. Oh, my missus is a bike rider. It's a secret code, I think. Welsh Jesus, you know, it'd be great to have you on. Invite to co-host now. I wouldn't know who I'd be inviting. Be a mass murderer for all I know. Not that I've got anything against mass murderers, you know. Each to their own, I think. Anyway, Ben, Abdul, Erin, thanks for joining. Oshin. We're looking at the bike rally. Hi, Ben. Shandira. Oshin. Do you know, we love the word Oshin. It's a proper Welsh name, you see. Harry, thank you for joining. We're looking at bike rally in West Wales at this minute. Tracy, thanks for joining. Frederick Abbott, anybody also on YouTube watching, please subscribe to my channel. Love joined. Hey, love you too, man. Marilyn Beth joined. Hey, good to have you on here, Marilyn Beth. Hi. Good to have Jay joined. Where's the bike rally? Ben, come on, man. Ben is coming. You, Ben, watch now. Ben, watch now. Here we go. Way. There we go. Struggling to reply to messages. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you. It's all for the good of the country. There we go. We've all got to be very thankful for Andy Burnham and for the comedy show that he's providing in Britain at this minute. We like a bit of comedy. Guys, whoever's on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. Whoever's on TikTok, don't forget to like, subscribe, whatever, follow, invade Poland. I think it's very healthy to invade foreign countries occasionally. Not on a Saturday though, it's really busy in Poland on a Saturday. And don't invade Germany on a Saturday either, because there's too much sauerkraut around. You get pissed. Bianca, good to have you here. Martin Hill, I'm on a hill, job done. Laura Doll, Wayne Doll, Ariel, joined. Davis, loving it, man. We got a bike rally going on. Occasionally there's bikes. We're on a hill. The bike coming up now. Come on, guys. I can hear it in the distance. Come on, let's build up the bike. Come on. Whoa! We're halfway there. Whoa! Big lad. You're obviously from Manchester, I can tell. Vinyl Wood. Aries 75. It's good. Britain. Excel. It's flag. Ed. Mr. Vinyl. Right, come on, guys. I want a few hearts, flowers. as soon as we have some bikes, chuck a couple of flowers in there. Come on, man. I'm joined. Cool. Bayuden joined. Loads of people joining, man. That's good. Good. Guys, don't forget to like, follow my channel, Invading Poland. So I've just got to follow, whatever. Follow me, man. We're loving it. Anyone who's on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. There's only bikes every now and again, so it's all fine. It's all good. I gotta crack on with some proper work in a short while. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. No, it's not like it's not like watching paint growing, driving. Leo Stayer, I'm glad you liked the live, guys. Loving it. Don't forget to follow my effort, doodah. Bike coming. Don't forget to wave. Way. Well done. There we go. They're all there. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's just too many. What do you think, man? It's all good. Guys, get out on those bikes, man. Motorbikes, keep safe. Don't get AIDS or anything else. But anyway, don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, invade Poland. As I warned you, don't invade Poland on a Friday. GG, we're loving it, Joe. Owen Barnes. Hey, keep liking it, man. Subscribe, follow. League DS, whatever that is. Hey, we're loving it. 319 at. Hey, we're loving it. Whoa, we're loving it, man. Let's just keep that there. If I had a proper tripod, this would be great. But I haven't got a proper. Well, I got a dual pipe tripod. It's all for the good of the country in the Third Reich. We're loving it, man. We're loving it. Hey, give it a bit of a wave. Those, right, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. Follow Intercourse with the Course on TikTok. As I said, don't invade Poland today because you're watching me for a little bit. And the problem is with invading Poland on a Saturday is it's too many people buying stuff for Christmas. Loving it. Again, anyone subscribe on YouTube. We're only on for about another 6 minutes on YouTube, and therefore we're going to come off YouTube. There we go. We're loving it, man. We're loving it. We're loving it. Ask them to have a go on one of the bikes. Well, I don't know where you are, man. Flipping heck. Christ. Just advertise and chuck where you are, man. Going with the flow. YouTube, man. Subscribe. God. Mind you, I know a country that you can invade at present. It's called Wales. Right? Very few people live there anymore. Filming a live motocross. Comment which bike you'd like to see. I'd like to see the pink one, man. We're loving the pink bike or the red bike or something. Do you know, man? It's all for the good of the country in the Third Reich. I didn't say that. Well, I don't know. It's all good. Don't tell the Polish people when you invade that you're whatever. Hopefully, look at this bike now. It's awesome. We're loving it. There we go. That's the number 27. 27, we've got up to 27. We're on it, man. Way! Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Come on, let's give it up, man. Right, nobody's giving me any flowers. Now, I am gutted. I want some red roses. I want some red roses. We want some red roses. Oh, for the good of the country. Oh, la, la. Joined. Have you joined or you subscribed? I like guys, follow. We got a few diamonds there. Harry Trot. Totter? I had the trots once. Right, anyone on YouTube needs to subscribe, right? Rob. Why has Rob got two B's in it? Rigo. Why two G's? Greg O'Hagan. Loving it, man. Harry Totter to join as a guest. Harry, I don't know you, man. It's all for the good of the country. Look at that one. We're loving that one. Oh my God, it's all for good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good. Oh, more bikes. Do you know, I could commentate on this, but I really, really could. Right, we're loving it. We're loving it. Thing is, I can't prop this up against anything because there's nothing to prop it against. Do you know what I could do? Right, I could actually. Right. Do you know what I could do, guys? I could do. Let's do a bit of that. Right. If I do that, right. If I do that, and I could do that, and sort of like, there we go. Nobody cares, man. It's a bike rally. Well, I do. You know, it's all for the good of the country, and you know, good old Keir Starmer. He's doing a great job, isn't he? You know, he's the greatest prime minister to ever live. Keir Starmer is. He's the most amazing guy. You know, I'm gonna have Keir Starmer's babies. That's what I can say. So what we got that there, yeah. And guys, we're loving it. You know, look at that there. So here we go. Like, I don't get it, man. It's all for the good of the country. Way! There we go. You know, it's you know, it's I'm here, man. I'm hanging about on the street corner. I'm touting for trade. Gotta be done. Look at that there. Well, I can do this whilst I can multitask. Men can't usually multitask, but I can't. What? Oh yeah. So right. So when we do this, right, we do this and we go like that. Trade. I just found this live. What's going on? Harry, this is like a bike rally. They're getting ready for like it's like a bike rally to get people ready to invade Poland on bikes. Oh, here we go. So that's good. There we go. Awesome. Right, so what we want, guys, is whoever's watching now, I want you guys to basically tell me what to shout at the bikes. You can't say bad things like you are, I don't know, a Reform voter, or you are like a Labour voter, or you're a Green voter. We can't say any of that because it can't do politics. Right. And you know what? I'm loving it though. Look at that. Oh yeah, hang on. I got it. Camera to camera. Yeah, there we go. So we've got more bikes coming in. Right. Don't forget to follow John Fisher. He likes fishing. Joseph, James. Have any of you actually followed my channel? Any following my channel? You've got a flash goal. Flash goal, view. Does anyone know what a fucking flash goal is? 3 gifts, send. Okay, I've got it. We started the flash goal, man. Right, but ice creams. Wouldn't I fucking like an ice cream? Would you like an ice cream? Right, we're going to put this down now. We're just going to get a bit of action with the old YouTube, right? Sort of like, we can't always be amazing on the YouTube. Right, so, do you know, pin to live stream. So we've got the bike rally today. We have. We got a bike rally. You see what I mean? Bike rally. Wink, wink. Nudge, nudge. Say no more. Yeah. Who's your daddy? David Bowie didn't like that statement, and nor do I. It's a bit crap, really. Guys, anyone, please subscribe on YouTube. Right, guys. Oh, well, that's the wrong bloody phone, isn't it? Never mind. Oh, guys, it's all for the good of the country. Right, so Noah Jones shared the live. Thank you for sharing the live. God, Destiny, Maggots, Noah. We're loving it, man, Noah. Hey! You waved at Noah. Yeah, I got to wave at Noah. Noah's the name of my granddad. So there we go. We're going to give a wave now. Massive wave. Hey! There we go. Why have the heart stopped? We're going to send a super fan goal. I've no idea what the fucking hell that means. The reception's pretty shit here as well. It usually is. Fuck that. No, I've got to pay for it. Go on. How have I got to pay to be a super fan on my own channel? I don't know. So, here we go. Joined. Ariane. Is that Spain? Good. And more bikes. We're going to give a good one wave now. That's it. It's all for the good of the country. It really is. Harriet from Iran. Good to have you on. When you've managed to get on from Iran. Iranians, don't forget, invade Poland on a Wednesday, not any other day. It's all good. Right. Guys, that's a van. Did you see the van then? It's a van. Here we've got to pull over on the bikes, man. They've got to be safe. All for the good of the country and the Third Reich. Harry Trott, good to have you on. I'm going to say hi again. Harry, I've no idea how this is working. I've just decided to do this on an off chance. I've never done a TikTok live like this before. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing, but that's like, do I? No, I don't. No, I don't. Ooh. There we go. I could just leave this on live, couldn't I? Yeah, let's do it. I could put this, right? I could put this in here, couldn't I? And we could just have a live from the bushes. Right. Okay. Yeah, this is motocross. Oh, this is a motor ride. Motor ride. That was bad. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'm coming off. I'll probably keep this on anyway. Bollocks. Yeah, motor Reich. We like that. It's this motor Reich. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. I like motor Reich. Yeah, it's good. We'll stay. It's all, you know what, guys, it's all for the good of the country, I think. You know, we're living in such a wonderful country of Britain, and you know, we're being looked after by the state, as we do. Good guys, man. We're liking it. Right. Hi guys, I'll probably come off the live soon, so can't be here all day. I've got stuff to do. Oh, no, sorry. Thanks for everybody joining. Tracy, Evo, Valley, M Zest. well, Arian. Thanks for joining today. It's the bike rally. So I'm going to finish the live now. Anyway, thanks for joining us on TikTok, and more again, no doubt. So I'm going to end the live. Thanks everybody for following, liking and subscribing. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Well, hey! I was just about to come to the end of the where's the nearest motorboat rally? Oh, fuck off. Hey guys, thanks for joining. Cheers. Bye. Subscribe and like.